Let's try another example. This one says 3 minus 2x is greater than 0. Obviously, we have to make x the subject. It says 3 minus 2x is greater than 0. The 3 crosses the equal sign there, it becomes negative 2x. 0 minus 3 is simply negative 3. We have to make x the subject of the formula, meaning we can divide both sides by negative 2. So we have negative 2x over negative 2. On the right, we have negative 3 over negative 2. Okay, negative 3 divided by negative 2 is simply positive 1.5 or positive 3 over 2. But the principle here is that every time you divide both sides by a negative, the symbol changes. Where we had a greater than sign, we are going to have a less than sign. Where we have a less than sign, if we divide both sides by a negative number, we get a greater than sign. So the principle is whenever we divide both sides by a negative number, the symbol changes. Here we're dividing through by negative 2. Okay, so where we had a greater than sign, there we're going to have a less than sign. So x is less than 1.5. How do we present this in notation form? So we're saying values of x that are less than 1.5, right? So the values of x that are less than 1.5, the smallest value, that is the smallest possible value that is less than 1.5 is negative infinity. Because if you start going less than 1.5, you go to negatives, you keep going until you reach the biggest number ever. This one is negative infinity, or the smallest number possible is negative infinity. So when you write in notation form, you start with the smallest number in the interval. X is less than 1.5. In that interval, the smallest number is negative infinity. The biggest number is 1.5. So again, we use the normal brackets because we don't have an equal sign. Okay.